For months there was only silence. The most distant human-made object in existence, Voyager 1, was adrift in the void alone, transmitting nothing but incomprehensible noise. After 45 years of historic exploration, it appeared the journey had finally reached its conclusion. But now everything has changed. Suddenly the signal returned, clear, coherent, and against all odds. And the data it carried has left scientists in disbelief. One Nobel Prize-winning physicist has delivered a chilling warning: this changes everything. We might be witnessing something that was never meant to exist. What exactly has Voyager 1 discovered at the edge of interstellar space? And why are some scientists whispering that this could be the key to unlocking the most profound cosmic mystery ever? Stay with us, because this isn't just another space mission. This could be the first message from the unknown. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was designed to survive only a few years, perhaps a decade. Yet it has endured for 45 years, operating in the most extreme environment imaginable. It soared past Jupiter, past Saturn, then was propelled outward by gravity into the depths of space, beyond the realm of planets. But what made this mission possible wasn't only brilliant engineering. It was a rare cosmic alignment that occurs once every 176 years. The planets were perfectly positioned, allowing engineers to slingshot Voyager from one world to the next using gravity, saving energy and sending it farther and faster than anyone imagined. They called it the Grand Tour, and it succeeded. Now Voyager 1 is more than 14 billion miles from Earth, traveling through a realm no human signal had ever reached, until Voyager sent one back. And what it just transmitted defies scientific understanding. After months of corrupted signals, something shifted. Voyager 1 resumed transmitting readable data. But this time the information wasn't just strange. It was impossible. Scientists detected strange plasma fluctuations, shifts in magnetic fields, and an unexpected spike in particle density. The most shocking part? These readings defy all known behavior in interstellar space. One physicist remarked, "It's as if the spacecraft isn't just beyond the solar system. It's beyond something else entirely." Additionally, cosmic ray orientations and magnetic field directions were misaligned, as though Voyager had entered an entirely new type of space. No existing model of interstellar physics explains what it's observing. It's as if the fundamental rules of reality are changing. When Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the outer boundary of the Sun's influence, scientists believed it had entered empty interstellar space. But the new data suggests this region is far from empty. Voyager is detecting turbulence, plasma waves, and storms of charged particles with no consistent source. More concerning still are gravitational anomalies. The spacecraft appears to drift subtly, inexplicably affected by forces we cannot detect. It is not being pulled by stars, nor colliding with asteroids. So what's causing this measurable yet mysterious motion? Some now believe Voyager has entered a transitional zone, a liminal space between what we understand and what lies beyond. A region where the known laws of physics may no longer apply. For years, the broader scientific community was cautious, observing, debating, analyzing. But now, a highly respected Nobel Prize-winning physicist has made a rare and unsettling announcement. Voyager 1 is picking up patterns that don't fit within our current models of the universe. We might be witnessing signs of another realm, another structure within space itself. He stopped just short of calling it another dimension, but already speculation is spreading. Could Voyager 1 be skimming the edge of something else entirely? A multiverse, a simulation boundary, or even the limits of a cosmic architecture we can't yet conceive. Among the new data, scientists identified a rhythmic fluctuation, a pulse emanating from a region Voyager recently passed through. This wasn't random background noise. It was structured. Time. Repeating. Initially dismissed as interference or sensor error, the pulse proved consistent, matching no known stellar phenomenon. It wasn't from a pulsar, a quasar, or any known source of cosmic radiation. Then came the chilling realization: the pulse appeared to be responding. During specific windows, it subtly increased after each of Voyager's transmissions, as though something out there was listening and answering. One engineer decoding the latest transmissions made a startling observation. When mapping the magnetic field variations in 3D over time, a shape emerged. Not random, not noise, but a spiral framework repeating with near-perfect symmetry. Some now believe this could be a gravitational lattice, a cosmic grid beyond current understanding. Others suggest something even more astonishing: the possible signature of an artificial structure far outside our solar system, or perhaps outside our universe entirely. Either way, there is no precedent for this in astrophysics. And yet, Voyager 1 passed directly through it. Voyager 1's onboard systems have been behaving strangely, not with the degradation expected from an aging probe, but in entirely unprecedented ways. Its internal orientation sensors now report conflicting positions simultaneously, as if the probe exists in more than one coordinate space at the same time. Even stranger, the signal shows small but measurable variations in transmission speed, suggesting that Voyager may be passing through regions where the fabric of spacetime itself is distorted. This isn't mere system decay. Some scientists are now quietly proposing the unthinkable, that Voyager has entered a region of variable dimensional space, a concept that once existed only on blackboards and theoretical papers. But now it's real, and Voyager is inside it. Voyager was never supposed to leave the solar system. Its purpose was to observe gas giants, then drift off silently. Yet here we are, over 4 decades later, and it's doing something far more profound, revealing the true shape of reality. What began as a planetary survey has become a journey into the architecture of the unknown. And here's the irony. The spacecraft that carries the golden record, humanity's message to the cosmos, might be the first to receive a reply. Voyager 1 was never designed to go this far. It was launched with 1970s tech, powered by less computing power than a digital watch, aimed at planets we believed we understood. Now, 45 years later, it's sending data that is forcing Nobel laureates to rethink the nature of the universe itself. A pulse that behaves like a signal. A shape buried in magnetic distortion. Spatial glitches hinting at multiple realities. And a journey that now appears less like an escape from the solar system, and more like an encounter with something else. Something ancient. Something beyond our physics. Something that's been watching. The spacecraft meant to carry our message to the stars may have stumbled upon the edge of reality, or worse, something beyond it. So now we ask, is Voyager 1 still exploring space? Or has it revealed that the space we thought we understood has already ended? Thank you for joining us today on Why. Tell us your opinions in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the video on your screen for more mind-bending content. Keep waiting for another exciting Why adventure. And until then, stay curious and stay tuned. This is Why signing off.